Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sindhu. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So I make videos about motherhood, lifestyle and beauty. So today's topic is an exciting one. Taking pictures of a newborn baby is very exciting. It's very addictive, and also when you look at all the old pictures and videos when your baby is older, it's like a time travel, right? It brings you so much joy and actually happy tears as well. So getting those really nice pictures of every stage of your baby is very important. So today I'm gonna guide you to buy a few things and keep it ready in your hospital bag to get those amazing first pictures of your baby. And these pictures can be used to send it to your extended family as a birth announcement. You can just attach a picture of your baby and then tell them that, this our little baby boy or girl is here. Also, you can frame these adorable pictures because they are the first picture of your baby, and obviously it's something that's absolutely memorable, right? So if you're someone who thinks that clicking pictures of the baby on the first day is not good for the baby, then this video is not for you. I am not advising to use flash or get professional photography done for your baby. This is just a mom saying that you need to literally get a lot of pictures of your baby in every stage so that you remember things even when you're 60, 65. So let's talk about the things that you need to make these pictures frame worthy. So the first item I'm going to mention is absolutely amazing. This is a birth announcement card. It's from Amazon. I got it on Amazon. I'm going to link the product in the description below. It comes with a marker pen. So let me open this. So yeah, this is how it looks. So it's double-sided. The front portion says hello world, so you can keep this on your baby or on the side of the baby, in the cradle, and you can click the picture. So this is hello world, and the other side, let me open it for you guys. The other side says baby, date, weight and height. So baby girl or baby boy, I think it's the gender, and the date when the baby is born, and the weight and the height of the baby. So these things are absolutely adorable. It's pretty small, it's so much, so it's not very heavy. It can be kept on your baby, on the side of the baby. And it comes with a marker pen. I think it's black. Yeah, it's a black marker pen. I think you can write your baby's name and other details here. So this is my first pick. This product is absolutely amazing. It's a must have if you want to click some great pictures of your babies. I'm going to attach a few samples here of similar pictures so you can get an idea of how it's clicked. The second thing I want to mention is clothes, of course. So for a newborn in India, of course, you do not know the gender of the baby, so you have to buy something in neutral color. I would suggest you buy something in white or yellow or maybe red or mint green, colors like this, which will work both on boys and girls. And make sure that you buy matching caps and booties. They look absolutely adorable when the baby is dressed in all matching outfits. The best brand to buy newborn clothes is H&M. They do have some neutral colors. I'm gonna attach the link below, and I'm also gonna post some pictures here. H&M has really good newborn clothes and they're fairly affordable. If you're going for something less pricier than H&M, then make sure that you pick everything separately, but you at least match it and you make it look really nice. And also, if you have a baby girl, then you do not want to miss this. So I would suggest you to buy headbands like these. These are nylon band headbands. These will fit a newborn baby. These are my daughter's actually. I got it after she was born, obviously. Back then I did not have so many ideas, but yeah, this is super small. This will easily fit into a newborn's head. You can match it with the outfit that you already got for the baby. If it's a boy, then might as well not use this. If it's a girl, then yeah, this will be great. They look absolutely adorable. I'm gonna post a picture here of a baby wearing headband so you'll get an idea. So the third thing that I want to mention is about swaddle blankets. If you are planning to swaddle your baby for the first few days, and you're gonna use any outfit inside, and you're gonna use a really pretty swaddle blanket, make sure that they are of really cute prints, and make sure that you have a matching cap for swaddle blanket as well. The matching cap and the swaddle blanket together is gonna look really cute. The fourth thing that I want to mention is the sheet that's spread on the cradle. So it's very important, you guys, when you're clicking picture of the baby from the top, it's very important that you have a really clean, nice sheet that's been spread before the baby is put on it. It makes a lot of difference. Trust me, I screwed up the first picture of my baby because there was an orange sheet that was put, so the background became really bright and tacky, and yeah, the picture got ruined. So make sure that you buy a muslin blanket, white preferably, because that will give you the best picture, or anything that matches your baby's outfit better. So yeah, make sure that it doesn't take the focus out of your baby's outfit. Make sure that it's very pleasant and very cute. So yeah, that's point number 4. The fifth point that I want to mention is balloons. Obviously nothing is more decorative than balloons for a baby, right? So foil balloons or helium balloons are the ones that will look really decorative. You can tie it to your baby's cradle and take pictures. You know, if you're in metro cities, I think a lot of hospitals offer these services, but if you're in tier 2 cities, then obviously you will not get these kind of benefits. So make sure that you buy a set of these balloons. They retail on Amazon for around 400 rupees. A lot of people use these balloons for baby shower, but it's supposed to be for the welcoming of the baby. So yeah, buy these really nice foil balloons and decorate, make your husband or your parents or your in-laws decorate the room, and make sure that you all together click a lot of pictures with the baby as well. You know, first day at least, if you are the mom who are watching this video, first day you will need a lot of rest, no matter which kind of delivery you've had, normal or C-section. But after a day, like the next day, you will have some energy and some support, you know, so you can just sit up a little bit and you can hold your baby with all the decoration at the background and you can click a picture. So guys, these are the things that you will need to pack in your hospital bag to click some amazing pictures of your baby, and the things that you need to remember as well. Of course, you know that you have to buy outfit for your baby, but make sure that you buy in neutral color and matching outfits with matching booties and cap. So do not forget to take a picture with yourself if you are a mommy who's watching this, and make sure that your family is also included around you when you're taking picture of your baby in your arm. These are completely memorable, frameable pictures that actually people forget. I did not come across a video like this when I was pregnant, and I did not get such amazing pictures, first pictures of my baby. So I made this video thinking that it's a good opportunity, and I wanted to help you guys obviously. And yeah, please give it a like if you found this informative, and share it with mommies who are pregnant, who are there packing their hospital bags. Again, subscribe to my channel, please do not forget that. It gives me a lot of motivation to make more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching again. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye.